Go muna kami for coffee kasi hindi kami nasatisfy sa coffee kanina dun sa hotel. So, coffee muna tayo. So, ito yung mga bushfire dito. Ganyan yung mga itsura ng puno after the fire. So, ayan. If you can see, ayan, abo na yung mga damo. So, dito kami ngayon. Ito yung aming motel for today. It's a Thursday. So, nag 4 hours and 35 minutes drive from Toowoomba going Armidale. Going here from Armidale. Going to Armidale. So, ito yung room namin. May 2 bed siya. Couple and a single bed. Tapos, meron siyang fridge, microwave, toaster, tawag dito, kettle. Ayan, pang ano, ito yung toilet namin. So, ang kinuha kong room is for disability. So, meron mga hand grill para kay hubby. Ayan. So, ayan. So, 135 ang bayad namin dito. Tapos, meron silang ayan, pwede mong gamitin iron at saka yung shower chair. So, maganda diba? Ganda-ganda. Dito ko sa
deep in the shadow. I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. Far is the echo? When do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared.
Hi guys, dito kami nag-stay ni Polar Bear sa Luna Motel. So, nandito na kami sa Armidale. Dito kami nag-overnight. Tapos, babiyahe na naman tayo ulit. Ayun, last biyahe na natin papuntang Kirinday. So, let's go na. Mag-breakfast na ako. Meron silang free pool. Pwede kang gumamit ng pool from 8 AM to 9 PM. So, yan. Sa mga guests ng hotel, ng motel. So, yan yung pool. Kaso malamig. Sobrang lamig.
A few moments later.
Do you want to know?
Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day.
Touchdown. Dito na kami sa house ni Daddy. Ito yung kanyang house. Ito yung back. Ito yung kanyang shed. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung pinakalote niya. Ayan. Ayan. Yan yung lote niya. Hanggang dun sa likod. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan yung lote ni Dad. Yung daddy ni hubby. Yan. Yung shed. So, yan, kanya yan. Hanggang dun. So, impake. Ibababa ko lang lahat ng gamit namin. And, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung front. So, ito yung front. Ayan. So, ayan yung front house. Ann, where are you? Annie, open the door. So, impake ko muna. Impake. Lagi ko sinasabi impake. Unload ko muna yung mga gamit namin. Kasi may binili ako sa grocery. Ayan. Welcome to Dad's house, guys. So, dito muna kami mag-stay until yung funeral ni Daddy. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon ay maglalaba. Dami kong labahan. Grabe yung aming basura, no? Dami namin dala. Ayan, unload ko muna lahat. Tapos na ako magwalis sa loob. Kasalang na ako ng labahan ko. Mag-lunch ako kasi gutom na ako. Si Chard tulog. Knockdown. Since dumating kami, marami na naman basura. So, yung bahay ni dahil basura. So, gawalis na ako dito sa labas kasi gusto kong dito kumain. Kakain ako dito. Medyo mahangin-hangin ng konti. Kaya lang yung init, grabe. Si Abu, kawawa. Nabilad. Gusto ko sana ipasok sa shed. Kaya lang, baka hindi ko na mailabas eh. Takot ako. Takot ako, baka mabangga ako siya. So, walis lang ako, then kain. See you guys. Ito lang kayo sa bagong bahay ko. Charot. So, yung bahay ni Dad. Yan yung main entrance. Yung front door. Ito yung kanyang dining. So, nabenta na kasi yung mga gamit niya, kaya, ayun, wala nang laman. So, ito yung kitchen. Ito yung pantry. Yan yung pantry. Tapos, kitchen. Ito yung cooking. And yung laundry. Yan. Tapos, toilet. Kwarto. So, yun. Meron siyang 3 bedrooms. Tsaka, isang malaking toilet. And a single toilet. Sa labas, yun, nakita nyo kanina, doon tayo nag-park. Ito yung kanyang likod. So, meron ditong lounge. Tsaka dito yung kanyang sampayan. Tapos yun, yung kanyang mga shed. Nako, kawawa naman si Abu. Ayan, ang 8. Subukan ko yung i-park doon. Kaso, takot ako baka hindi ko siya mailabas talaga. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Dito ko na muna i-end yung ating vlog kasi medyo mahaba na yata yung ating vlog for today. I'll see you again, guys, on my next vlog. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Shoutout sa lahat po ng nanonood at sumusupport. Pagbalik ko po ng Bundaberg, ay ng Jinjin, balik supporta na ako sa inyo. As for now, wala kaming wifi dito sa bahay ni Daddy. Data lang ang gamit ko, kaya puro video lang ako ngayon. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.